See, I have been in the industry for about 15 years now, and the greatest satisfaction I have got in the recent few months. This was due to primarily applying some kind of creative techniques to increase my productivity. What I did was I recorded all work related material in a voice recorder and then I kept listening to them many times in each day. So, this way, I was able to do the work that normally took 40 minutes in just about 10 minutes. The way it works is like this. Like, I used to have a task, let's say, which had 8 sub operations, and each sub operation I used to go search files and folders to figure out the kind of information what I needed to do the sub operation. But now, after recording and listening, all this information is at my fingertip now, and I no longer need to go and search the folders and files and look for those kind of information. So, this way, overall, in a day, I'm able to save about 3 to 4 hours. So, this is very amazing for me to uh, consider, and basically, I'm going to do this regularly from now onwards, and I just wanted to convey this idea to the other engineers out there. So, what do I use for recording my stuff? So, this is a cell phone, and this is not even a smartphone. This is just a plain cell phone, and this is the one I'm using for recording. So, I just keep talking in this whatever I want to talk about my work, and then it gets stored in an audio file which I later can upload it to a computer also, or I can just listen from this cell phone itself. Usually I use a earphone. Let's hear a sample of my recorded voice related to my work.
In the images across the boxes. Sometimes, rarely, errors may not show up, but still it could be an image problem. So this step is very important, the consistency of the images across all the 6 boxes. And the next important thing is using the correct working config file. Use the config file from Bought the Builder in Mount BTV Tray Sim Netall Sims folder. Under that working config folder, we find all the working config files. Before going further, actually, if anytime a hard reboot is done on the simulator boxes, and if it
Now, what? Are you guys motivated? You want to give it a try? I can assure you, definitely it's going to help you. Okay, before closing, let me give you an idea of what kind of things I record. See, I record the sequences of operations that needs to be done for a particular procedure, and hard to remember, or hard to uh, figuring out. So all those kind of things I record. And I also record the interdependencies between different modules, why we are taking some decisions, what took more time and how it can be done in a better way next time, what kind of things can be looked at upfront in order to save time later. There are several other things. You will figure it out once you start the process. Like what kind of things um, is involved in your day to day job and how time was spent in different things, and what are all the crucial facts that we should remember next time we are doing a similar job. And these are the variety of things I record, and hopefully you can also start attempting this and see it for yourself the benefits. Thank you for listening.